Hello friends, welcome to Baby Bunny channel. Today I am going to show you one science activity called floating egg. Let's begin. We have salt and one egg and one glass, empty glass and one glass with water. Let's start. Before you start this activity, you should ask your mother's permission. I asked my mother's permission so I can start. Let's pour some water into this glass. Now, do you think the egg will float or not? Anyway, let's try it. This egg is going down, not floating. Do you know why? See? Do you know why? Anyway, let me tell you. Because the denser of the egg is more than the water. So, if we add some salt, the denser of the water will get more. Then the egg will float. Let's take the egg out. Now let's add some salt. Now let's mix it. Now let's see if the egg can float. If the egg is still not floating, let's add some more salt. First, we will take this egg and put it back. Now let's mix it again. Now let's put the egg back and check. Now see, it is floating a little. Now see, it is floating little. So let's add some more salt and see if it is floating more. Now let's mix. Now let's see. See? The egg is floating on the water. The denser of the water got more after we added some salt. So the egg is floating. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this experiment. If you like this experiment, please share and subscribe. Bye bye.